My name is Nicole with So Much More, and in today's video I'll show you how to make this adorable Clover Mini Quilt. We're going to be using a walking foot, so I'll show you how you can incorporate this sewing machine attachment to help you finish your projects. Let's get started. Check out my Clover quilt block video to learn how you can make these quilt blocks. My pattern has 3 different sizes that you can make. I've used 4 of the 9-inch blocks to make this cute mini quilt top. I'd like to do some straight line quilting with my walking foot, so I'm going to draw some lines on my quilt top. I'm using a chalk pencil by Sew Line and my True Cut ruler to mark my quilting line. Let's install the walking foot. Now, not all walking foots are the same. I'm using my Juki TL2010Q. This machine comes with the walking foot. Let's take a look at the anatomy of this walking foot. So first we have our presser foot lever, and it's in the shape of a fork which fits around the needle bar of your machine. And next we have the foot clamp for the screw. And this foot clamp is attached to the post right here. Then we have our feed dogs, which work in conjunction with the machine feed dogs. And let me show you how easy it is to install. The trick is to make sure you have the foot clamp and the presser foot lever in the proper place before you install the screw. This dual feed dog system will help keep your quilt top and the quilt backing from shifting. You don't have to use this just for quilting. Many people use it for piecing also. Let's take a quick look at what it looks like to have your walking foot installed correctly. The presser foot lever is installed in between the needle bar, and the foot clamp is attached to the post with the screw. Now that we have our walking foot installed, we can start quilting our quilt top. Now remember, I've drawn a line for reference because it's the easiest way to get started. Now you don't have to draw lines on your quilt top. If you feel confident enough in creating a straight line, then just skip drawing or chalking. For this project, I'm drawing lines and quilting lines that are 2 inches apart. You can certainly add a row of quilting in between each 2-inch mark, which will add more interest and definition in your finished project. Sewing with this foot is very straightforward. Once it's attached, you can sew like you would with a regular presser foot. Don't go too fast though, it works best at a slower pace, medium speed. Through the magic of video, I've sped this up about 800%. Now the even feed foot or walking foot is used for sewing several layers of fabric and is great for quilting, matching plaids or stripes, and sewing fabrics with a nap or a pile to keep from shifting. This foot has its own set of feed dogs that work together with the sewing machine's feeding system for perfect fabric feeding. This little 18-inch mini quilt took me about a half hour to finish. That doesn't include the trimming and binding, but it makes for a really cute project. This fits perfectly on my wall, and it's even kitty cat approved. Thanks so much for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video with your sewing friends. Be sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, or even TikTok for daily sewing and quilting inspiration. See you next time.